To remove virus from Windows 10 computer. Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this very short video, we will learn how to wipe out any virus which is making your computer slow. If there is any browser redirection, system is running slow, pop-ups are coming, right? It will be fixed and you don't have to worry about it. You just have to follow the steps which I'll be letting you know. Please do not panic, and please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button for this video. Alright, so let's get started. So let's say if your system is not encrypted, the data is not encrypted, any encrypted virus is not there, definitely you will be able to overcome, and once you will perform all the steps which I will tell you in this video, your system will be way better than earlier. It will be just like a brand new machine when you bought it in the first day. Alright, so let's get started. So the very first thing you need to follow is you need to open any of the browser which you have in your machine. So I'll open Google Chrome in my case. If you're using Edge or Internet Explorer, that's absolutely fine. Alright, so you just have to follow step by step which I'm mentioning, and you will be able to fix the viruses. You will be able to wipe out all the viruses, unwanted malware bug which is running in your computer. So once the Google Chrome is opened or any browser is opened, open google.com. So we will be doing three important steps, and I'll be telling you the first important step which we are going to follow. Okay, so here you just need to type in the Google super anti spyware and just hit search. You will find a website, https://superantispyware.com. so you need to open this. So we will be installing this application one time, and we will be uninstalling as well. So we are going to download the free edition the way I'm doing it, and we will also uninstall it, so please don't worry about it. So currently it's getting downloaded, only 30 seconds are left. Computer is like, it's a bread and butter for me. I do all the stuffs in my computer, so I make sure whatever the steps I'm performing is doing good to the computer. So trust me and just follow the steps with patience. Thank you. So it's getting downloaded, and I just have to open it once it's downloaded. This is the first step which we are doing. So I'm just clicking on this super anti-spyware. So once it is downloaded, it will open up a new window. So it has opened, and it will ask you to say yes. So please say yes. It's a user account control permission. Now once you download and open the super anti-spyware, it will look like this. You just have to click on next, and I agree. And anyone who uses this computer, all users, just click on next. It will install to a default location, which is absolutely fine. So currently I'm installing the super anti-spyware. So this is a very important first step which we are doing, is installing super anti-spyware, and then I'll let you know what we need to do. And we also need to uninstall it, so make sure. Here you can enter the email address. In my case, I won't be doing it. Submit a system diagnostic report, check for, I'll just uncheck this submit diagnostic, and I'll look for the updates, and I just clicked on finished. So the moment I'll click on finish, either it will open up automatically or we might have to open it. Now here it will ask for start a trial. No, we are not going to start any trial here. We are using the free stuff. The whole procedure which I am telling you, the 3 important steps, are absolutely free and you don't have to pay anything for it. So here we don't have to start a trial, we just have to decline it, and it will open up like this. Very soon the window will appear. So it will look like this. Scan this computer system tool, help registration, real-time protection. So I'll click on scan this computer, and here we don't have to do a quick scan or critical or custom. We need to do a complete scan. Now the moment I'll do it, it will take some time. It may take 5 minutes, it may take 10 minutes. And since this computer is absolutely clean, so it won't find any malware or any kind of infection. But in your case, the moment you will start scan, it will start becoming red, and it will tell you what all the viruses are there in the computer. Alright, so the procedure, let it happen. We don't have to pause, you don't have to stop. Let this scan run, let this super anti-spyware remove all the viruses from your machine. It might take 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Let it be like that. Now while doing this, what we need to do is we need to, in the search bar, type run. So the scan is happening. Now we are going to second step. Computer might run slow because currently it's utilizing. So here we need to open the run window, and here type CLEAN clean MGR, and here you need to select the C drive, whatever the drive where your operating system is installed. You need to select that. In my case, I have installed the Windows 10 on my C drive, so I'll select C drive. So you need to click on OK. Currently the scan is happening. This computer doesn't have viruses, so it has not detected, but in your case definitely it would have detected the viruses. So now we are running the clean MGR while scanning the machine. So this cleanup is calculating the space of your C drive, the temporary files. So basically we are wiping out by 2 ways. So here a window will open up like this. You just have to make sure you put the check mark like this, one by one. So currently we have to free up space of like 623 megabyte. This computer is absolutely clean, but still it has 600 junks created by the system, not by you. So I just have to click on OK. In your case you might have 5, 10, 15 gigabytes of junk and the viruses. So I'll just have to click on OK, and it will delete all the junks, bad registries, files which is created by the system. All the unnecessary files will be wiped out from your machine, and by performing this step your system performance will be also very good. Alright, the speed, the overall performance will be also good. So we are removing the viruses, also optimizing the machine. So this is the second step which we have done. Now we are moving to third step, and the third step consists 2 parts. So again here we need to search bar, we need to type run and open it, and here we need to type TEMP and we need to hit enter. So once you hit enter, you will see a window like this, and just select any of the folder, press Ctrl and A on a keyboard. In this manner you will select all the files and folders. All these are junks and unnecessary files created by the system, so you just have to by pressing Control and A, select all and Shift delete. Shift and delete, you will delete all those files permanently from the machine. And few of the files will not get deleted. That's absolutely fine. Just skip it. So I'm skipping, do all this for current items. That's fine, that happens. So delete all these. Now we will again open run. Now this is a clean machine, it won't find anything. So this is why even temp doesn't have much, but in your case definitely it will. Now you need to type %temp % and click on OK. And do the same, Control A, then press Shift delete and click on yes. So it will delete all the junks. In many users, in many cases, I have found more than 15, 20 gigabytes, more than thousands of files are sitting here, which is making the computer slow. Just check mark, do all, and just skip. So currently this is a clean machine. This is why I don't have much here in %temp or the temp or even the disk cleanup which I have done. But in your case you might find thousands of files sitting there which you need to wipe out. And let the whole scan happen. Once this is done, you just have to click on continue. It will wipe out all the viruses, and then what we need to do is we need to open, and then we just need to restart the machine. Now we are done with the 3 steps, okay? And if you have not subscribed and liked this video, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video. I'm really working very hard for you guys. So let this scan happen, and let's say if the scan is done, you just need to click on continue and restart the machine. Okay, so in this manner all the viruses, all the infections will be wiped out, and we need to remove this super anti spyware. So how we can remove it? You just have to click on search and type run, and here go to open, and here type appwiz, appwiz.cpl, and click on OK. appwiz.cpl, or you can simply type on the search bar uninstall, or simply type add or remove program, add or remove program. So once you click on add or remove program, it will open programs and features. Here you just have to select super anti spyware and click on uninstall, and then restart the machine. Alright, so in this manner you have wiped out all the bad files, registries, junks, viruses from your machine, and the application super anti spyware which we had installed, we are going to uninstall. Now it's up to you. If you want to keep it, you can do that. However, my recommendation would be once you are done with the removal of the virus, just remove this super anti spyware by just uninstalling it and restarting the machine, and we are good to go. The system will work way better than earlier. Let me know in the comment section if you still have issues, any kind of problems. I'll definitely reply to your comment. And please subscribe and like this video. Please like this, just hit the like button and smash that subscribe button for me, please. Alright, so you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.